Many years ago, I felt the need to have a technical market indicator that gives you buy and sell signals a little faster than the ones that are already available. Also, I needed something that captures each and every cycle, meaning every time prices move up, then they pull back a little bit, they move up again to new highs, then they pull back a little bit. Each of these moves or waves should be seen as an individual cycle, and those cycles should get captured by the indicator moving back and forth like a sine wave above and below the zero line. And so, unlike the standard indicators which give slightly delayed signals, we wanted something that can give you an early entry and an early exit. And that led to me coming up with a slightly differentiated formula for what I am calling Rohit's momentum indicators. When we start Trade Tiger and open a chart, it's very easy to plot the Rohit momentum indicators by adding a study, choosing the Rohit momentum and clicking apply. The indicator captures entire cycles, which means a move up, then a consolidation shows up with a buy signal, a move up with the indicator, and then a sell signal and back to the zero line. This move back and forth like a sine wave captures entire moves in the market. We again get a buy signal, this entire move in the market, and then this sell off here results in a move back. Again another buy signal develops, and so on and so forth. I have later made two improvements to this base indicator for bullish and bearish traders. The purpose is to get faster signals on each side. So if you plot what is called the Rohit long momentum, you end up looking at an indicator that looks very similar than the previous one. However, it may give you buy and sell signals sometimes a day faster than the previous one, sometimes even 2 days faster. And the purpose is that it actually moves up faster above the zero line and then comes back to the zero line quicker than the earlier one. So this helps bullish traders, and when you're trading the long side of the market in a upward trend, then you would want to use the Rohit's long momentum. Similarly, for people who are trading the short side of the market, I have added a Rohit's short momentum. At first look, this indicator appears upside down compared to the previous one, which is exactly the case. The short momentum indicator has been plotted upside down so that buy signals appear as shorting signals and sell signals as exit signals. So when you're looking at a downtrend like the sell-off in January and March of 2020, you'll find that this initial sell-off in January got a sell signal here with this arrow. The indicator moved up, then came back to zero, and prices bounced back. Again, you got a sell signal here, the market fell, you capture this entire move, and then you get an exit signal over here. So the short momentum indicator not only plots it upside down, but similar like the long momentum, gives you signals probably a day or two earlier than the base indicator. With Rohit's momentum indicators, I think I've solved one of the most challenging affairs for traders, that is having a smoothed momentum indicator that gives you faster entry and exit signals. So I think your experience is going to go to a completely new level once you start using them. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.